In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move within Miro. Start by opening Miro and going to a new board so you have a clear space to work on. Once your board is open, the main skill you need is panning, which simply means moving your view around the canvas without changing or moving any of the objects on it. This is especially important in Miro because boards can be very large, and it is common to spread content across a wide area. To pan around the board, use your right mouse button. Click and hold the right mouse button down, and while you are holding it, move your mouse. As you move the mouse, the canvas will shift in that direction, letting you travel across the board smoothly. When you reach the area you want to view, release the right mouse button to stop panning. As you practice this, focus on keeping your movements steady and controlled. Small mouse movements will shift the board slightly, which is helpful when you are aligning your view with specific notes, shapes, or frames. Larger movements will carry you farther across the canvas, which is useful when you want to jump from one section of the board to another. It also helps to remember the difference between moving your view and editing content. When you pan with the right mouse button, you are only repositioning your viewpoint. You are not selecting, dragging, or rearranging items. This makes panning a safe way to navigate, even on busy boards with lots of sticky notes and diagrams. If you ever feel lost on a large board, pause your movement for a moment and pan slowly until familiar content comes back into view. With a little repetition, using the right mouse button to pan will become a quick, natural part of how you navigate in Miro, and it will make working on larger boards much more comfortable. And that covers everything you need to know.